Hi, today I will show you how to make another logo. This time the logo is gonna be for a toy store. Now I will search for a toy store logo. See here. After I search for toy store logos, like I said in my previous video, it will show me a lot of toy store logos designed by other people. I will choose one and I can choose whatever I like. Now, let's say I want to choose this one. So, now I will choose the one that I want and I will click on Customize. After that, I can start customizing, like for the background color or even the circle. See how this yellow circle, this purple circle, and even this beige circle are not connected, but it looks like they are. You can even change the writing. Like, I don't want the bottom, so I can just delete that. Now I want to move the purple circle, and I can even move these toys around. Like, I can make the blocks on this corner and the car on the other. Here I will write, or I can even change the color, but I will keep the color in a nice type of beige, just like the middle circle. I can even make it green, blue, purple, pink, orange, yellow, or back to its normal shade, white. See? Every time I say the same thing. Possibilities are endless. So, I would like to keep it this beige color. And now, I will move the circle, but I want to change the color of this car. So, I will go to change the color. I can make the top this other shade of green, pink, purple, and many other colors. But I would like to keep the top yellow. Then, to work on each part, I will need to do all. So here, the wheels are purple. That's why the wheels, I would like them to be black. Like that. And I can make the windows and the center of the wheels blue. But I will keep them light. Here, for this red, I can change it, but I like to keep it this way. Now, since I'm done, I will move the circle and move the writing. Oopsies, deleted the circle. But that's okay. I can make it my own and decorate it with some other things. You can do animate and other things. See, I can make it go up, side, fade, pop, baseline, and there's many other effects. But for it, I will make it a pop. And I can do the same here. I would like to animate. And again, I would like it to pop. I can even change the speed, like to full speed, to make it go real fast. Or real slow. Or medium. And like I say, possibilities are endless. You can do both on exit, but I'll keep it on both. Or there's also on enter, but I like it both. So I'll keep the speed just like center. Now I can even add effects or animation to writing. Here, I can also make it write out one by one, or make it like burst up. But there's many other options. See how this one makes a change? But I like it when it goes to typewriter. Now, I can always add a page. So, now I can write why I want it to be like this. And many other things. But I don't want to keep this page, so I will look on the top and I will see a trash can on the right side. And I will delete. Now I have no other page but this one. Now I want to change the color of the background. I can make it gradient or gray sort of shade. This, you can choose anything you like, but I would like to keep it white. And like I can also change the color of the blocks. Like, see this type of orange red, I can change it to green. But I would like to keep it its color. And the pink, maybe I will change the pink to green. But there's already a green, so I will keep it pink. Then here I can change this to whatever I like, really. And you can change it to whatever you like. Once again, possibilities are endless. And here, you can write your own name. Like, instead, I could write Toy Store. See? Toy, now I can write store. So, Toy Store. And I will show you more features next time. And I hope that you enjoyed making this logo, but with animations. And please always stay creative.